My name is Ian Bergh. I've been working at Grendel for the last 13 years now. Opened the restaurant. When I finished school, I went to school in Stellenbosch. I didn't plan to become a chef. All my friends went to university, so I followed. We all had to turn to cook. And when it was my turn to cook, I really enjoyed it. And that's how I kind of knew I had this feeling for it. And because the others would do like beans on toast, and I would like do a roast chicken. So I traveled a bit and then got a job in the kitchen in Namibia, where I'm from, where my parents were from. And that's how it started, in the steakhouse in Namibia, Don Esteban. This is one job where there's got to be a love for it and passion for it, with the relentless hours, hot kitchens. It's not biggest paying career either, so there's got to be a passion. I'm very fortunate to have, well, to firstly work here. The views are incredible. Members can expect great ambiance. From when you enter the gate, driving up, walking through the building, seeing the cellar, but also the interaction with staff. We've got a great team and superb service. The wine's great. The process we go through to design the menu, we've got a very small menu. I try and keep it simple, using great ingredients. So a bit of vegetarian, a bit of poultry, a bit of red meat. And we have our favourite dishes that come and go as well. Our pork belly has always been fantastic. Our duck is great. And then whatever's in season. The Grendel, it's incredible. It's wonderful. We're looking forward to welcoming members from the concierge at the Grendel very soon. This is dining times 10.